Hello my friend, and this is me today, Saturday 17 in CarphinHouse, in Lutrie. So we have been in Biggar and then in Dundee last night, Biggar at the beginning of the week, and today I'm pleased to be here in CarphinHouse for our European people, guests that are celebrating here, and I keep you posted with the dishes, okay? And in case you have not seen this house before, so I'll show you the house. So this is the table where the kitchen is. So the clients have been here last night, so now I'm gonna clear everything for them. And tonight there is, oh look how beautiful, there is the dining table, 17 guests set. And then let's see, I take you around. This is the entrance, and here they have another little living room, and here another beautiful living room. So this is beautiful house, Lutrie, CarphinHouse. And we go show you. This is the owner, is Ian and Ruth, you see. And amazing. I keep you posted. Private chef Giuseppe Manzoli. And oh, it's not the 17, sorry, it's 19 March 2022. The 17, I was in Dundee. And I show you the park here. You see, you can have a, you can have a barbecue, you can do things, weddings we do here. We have done a lot of weddings, and amazing. And also they can organize for you games, Scottish games, as you want to show you. As you can see, there is the music. Today the guests, they are gonna have some Scottish game here, some Scottish game. And let me see if I, Joe, would you like to go in the video on my YouTube channel and tell to the guests what are you doing? Yeah? You want, yeah. Okay, so look, I'll introduce the manager of the house, and this is John, and let's see, what are you doing today for these guests?
Hi, yes, so my company Morach, we manage the estate and the grounds, and I've got guests from Belgium here today, and they requested a sort of Highland Games themed event. So me and my mate Pete have put some together for them, and hopefully we'll challenge them physically and show them what the Scots are made of.
This is amazing. They have taken over last year, I think.
2 years ago now.
2 years ago, and I can tell you, I've been here already so many times, and the house is already, like you have seen, kept amazingly. Okay, this is the manager, and I'm the private chef, and this is Pete. Pete is helping the manager.
I'm helping the manager. I'm the whistleblower.
Amazing. I keep you posted. Watch the video, and I show you all the dishes, everything I'm doing, like always. Ciao.